Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2970 RL. Wonderful floor plan. We'll get inside here in a moment. I want to show you the pass-through storage. We have a docking station on the other side, tandem axle, nice looking wheel and tire setup. As you can see here, I really like the red brake drums, really set it off. They started doing that a couple of years ago. So as we walk inside, I'm gonna close it over behind us. You have your slide set up, your power thermostat. We also have a motion activated light here on the bottom. Really like this flooring and very nice interior. So you have your dining area. We also have, this is I think these came out in 2025. Really nice LED lights for the ceiling. Kind of casts a little bit more light on what you're working on, and that would be your meal. Nice setup as far as side tables with a soft close or easy close tops. Plenty of storage above. Flat screen TV, also the fireplace and a pantry. And I know this pantry checks a box for a lot of people. They really like to have a pantry, and I get it. It really comes in handy when you're bringing things in and stowing them. We also have a planning center with a couple of drawers, and then some cabinets above. So 3 cabinets, and it does go all the way through. Refrigerator, freezer here, center island. We have the drying rack. This pulls down so you can spray off your dishes. So we have a bank of 3 drawers on each side, and then cabinet underneath the sink. And we'll head down the hallway. Our first stop is the bathroom. So we have a cabinet and 3 drawers below. We have 2 cabinets, and then over here we have 2 cabinets, or I'm sorry, yeah, 2 cabinets on this side as well. 36-inch wide shower with an additional skylight that gives you additional headroom. This unit has been winterized. That's why you see, and we're in spring, so it won't be long. They won't have to winterize them for a while. But warm weather's on the way. That means more time for camping. We have a cabinet on both sides, 2 drawers on both sides. We also have these cubbies, which is a great place to set your phone if you bring it into the bedroom, and you can charge it. We also have cabinets above. And these are the piano-style hinges. No, not a piano. I'm trying to think what the heck that was called. I shouldn't have said anything. It's one of those things, as soon as I said it, I regret it saying it because I can't remember what the heck they're called. European-style hinge, that's what it's called. And then we have a cabinet here and LED light as well. And then we have 2 very nice-sized drawers, as you can see. And then let me lift up the bed to show you underneath bed. Plenty of storage here. And then this slides back very nicely. So you can put shoes, sweaters, smaller items there, and then your bags or larger items, tubs, whatever you happen to be stowing underneath your bed. So very nice setup. 2970 RL, the rear living area. And I really like this floor plan. Leave a comment, question below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.